everybody, welcome to Marks and Marks. Now, some of you regulars may recognise this bag of popcorn kernels being on the side here for a number of weeks. I finally got around to making the popcorn. I'm going to show you how to do this in the microwave. Now, first let me explain what this is. This isn't popcorn, or it looks like popcorn. It's actual proper popcorn seeds. You can't use sweet corn for this process. You can get this in a lot of cash and carries, possibly some supermarkets. This actually cost £3 for a 2 kilo bag, so that's what you're looking at. Anyway, this is how you make popcorn. Let's take a look and see how much you need. What I've done here is I have a styrofoam cup. You can pick these up from most burger vans or someplace where you get a takeaway cup of tea. I've saved it because I use these as plant pots actually, except for this one and not this one. But I filled it half full with popcorn kernels. Now, how far you fill the cup really depends on how much popcorn you want to make, of course. And also it depends on the size of the bag. Now, these bags you can save whenever you go to a fast food restaurant or cafeteria or a local chicken shop, fried chicken dispensary place. Save the bag that they send this food to you in. Basically what you do is you take the bag, you pour the popcorn into the bag, and there you have it. There you go. So basically you're sort of like almost, just very close to covering the base of the bag. And when you've done that, just fold the bag over at the top. You don't have to do it extra tight or anything. Just fold it over and put this in the microwave on its side, perhaps, if you like. If it's tall enough, then you put it on tall. Put it in there for 3 minutes. That's all it takes. And in a moment, it'll start to. You'll hear it popping. I'll pause until that happens. There you go, you can hear that popping away. And basically, you just let that keep on popping away, keeping a constant listen, because it's popping away like mad. Once it stops popping, once it stops popping, sort of count to 10. And if there's no more popping, or if there's no large amount of popping, then stop the microwave. Don't let it keep going after it's stopped, because otherwise you're just cooking and burning everything that you've got in there. But while it's popping, just let it keep on doing that. There you go, some more noise from the microwave. And as you can see, 2 minutes has elapsed. And it's still popping away. When it stops, give it 5-10 seconds and then stop. And there you have it. Give it a shake. Now, as you saw, that half a cup of kernels will make all that popcorn. There you go. And you can probably reuse this bag again, because it hasn't got messed up or gungy or nothing. But yeah, they're just bags from the takeaways. There you go. Makes, half a cup made all this. There you go. And you get 2 kilos of it for £3 where I got it from. So, it's a good food. Again, if you're looking to, after this, after the world's gone back to normal after this coronavirus, this is the kind of thing you could put in your food store. It'll last forever. Well, I don't want to say that. No, that lasts forever, but it'll last a hell of a long time. Because it's grains, as long as you don't get it wet or moisture in there or nothing. It's a healthy food source. It'll stave off the hunger pangs. In the when it hits the fan scenario kind of situation. Yeah, and it's cheap. 2 kilos of it, £3. Now all you've got to work out is what to put on it. Melted butter or whatever the hell else. What perhaps you people out there could explain in the comments. what it is you can put on here, other than melted butter. What do you like to put on popcorn? I'll be interested in. Maybe you could share that with everybody in the comments. As simple as that. 3 minutes. You got a healthy snack, cheap as hell, a good storage item. Anyway, there you have it. Popcorn kernels done in the microwave. Thank you for watching.